How to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to see hidden information on your Facebook Marketplace, then first things first, you need to launch your Facebook application and get logged into your account. Now from here, you need to select the marketplace, which will be on the top of your screen or on the bottom of your screen. In here, you'll be able to see all the products that are listed in your marketplace in your location. Now let's go ahead and select the categories, which will be in the top right. Tap on the categories. Now I would like to go for local listing. You can also search for anything that you would like to buy at the search bar, which will be in the top. Now let's go ahead and select a photo or an item, and then you will see the description right over here. Now, in order to see more information, you need to select the seller details. And once you go with the seller details, you will see all of the things about the seller, like their listing and where they live and all the information just like so. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.